Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and this is going to be a 2-in-1 video where I will show you how to download Windows 10 ISO directly from Microsoft, and also I will show you how you can access the mobile version of any website on Google Chrome. First of all, we need to go to this website. This is the Windows 10 download link. Here you can see there is no ISO image downloading file because I am accessing this website as a PC perspective. This is my computer, so that is why it is not giving me anything to download the ISO file directly, but downloading the ISO file from Microsoft is impossible if you are accessing this website through your mobile. So we are not gonna use a mobile, but still I'm gonna show you how this works. As you can see, there is no direct ISO image download link, so I'm gonna go and show you how this website looks on my mobile. Now as you can see on my mobile, there is an option to choose the edition of a ISO image. Here you can check the only one edition, and here you will see the language. I'm gonna select English US, and here I can download the version of, and I can directly download the ISO image. I do not have to go through the Windows Update Assistant or this Windows 10 Update Assistant, and also something else called media creation tool. First of all, to access the mobile version, simply select this, press F12 and this will show up right here. Select this, and all we need to do is refresh this page. Here you can see this has been now giving me the mobile version of this website. I can select and check. You can also access any website that you want to access it as a mobile phone on your Google Chrome using this method. So what I'm gonna do is refresh this website because it is still showing up as mobile version. So I'm gonna refresh it. This is gonna reload, and here you can see I am now accessing the Microsoft page as a mobile page. Now I can directly download the ISO image from this Microsoft website. I do not have to go through any unofficial websites. This is the way, and I'm gonna select the multi-edition, and now here you can select the language, whichever one you want to. English is recommended, and now I can select the bit version and download the ISO image directly. I do not have to go through media creation tool or Windows Update Assistant. You can directly download it right from here. So this is how you can access the mobile version of any website on your Windows PC using Google Chrome. Of course, you can use any Chromium based operating system. If you want to close it, simply select it again and then reload the website. I'm gonna reload it and show you how it's going. Now it is going down. Go back to the PC version. See, the Windows Update Assistant is back, and the media creation tool also. So this is how it is downloading right now. Well, also I'm going to show you this method works with any other website as well. For example, let's start with I'm gonna show you Reddit. Let's type in Reddit, open the Reddit website. Remember, this website is now opening as the PC version of the website. So what if you want to access the mobile version of this website? Simply do the process again. I'm gonna have to close this. It's slowing down my internet connection. Okay, simply press F12 and select this mobile laptop version, and then close it and reload your website again. I'm gonna have to stop the reloading, and I'm gonna reload the website again. Let's wait for it. My internet is kind of slow. Okay, looks like I have to reload it again. Now as you can see, this is the mobile version of Google Chrome showing up. Okay, now it is loading. Now you can see this is the mobile version of Reddit I am using the mobile version of Reddit on my PC. Simple as that. So if you want to test out the version of website, or if you want to do something else like I downloaded the Windows ISO image, this is how you do it. This is how you can access the mobile version of any website that you want to on your PC, Chrome. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching.